Marky, you can't, look Marky. Marky, look there. You can't hold a bump like that. Look there. What's the Marky? You can't hold a, look there. Hold him bump like look here. Quick for them! Do them! Quick for them! Quick for them! What a fuck now! Basket, we find the money ill. Someone have it blood clot ill.
The same with son of drive, the same drive. The same drive. You want happy party.
Someone have it for the man ill, man.
Look at now. Happy party. Watch out.
Look at him. We have him back now. We have him back. Watch out. Bumper clot. Man, I walk on that. What? No, make it left. I run my road now. Yeah, me, my boss. Get by the man. Suck him up, boss. Suck him up now. Man, get him on the wall. I really jam tonight. Watch out. Watch out, watch out. Great body, my boy! Near him! Watch out, Marky, man, easy! Near him! Boy! Wet him up! Wet him now! Bumper clot! Hello to me, I say something bad now, I'm sit down on my way. Marky, you want to excuse this? I don't want to drive something, man. Like a long rumble, I do it. Long rumble. Marky, you want to drive something? When you turn now around there, what's up?
No,
pressure, man. Like you man go boil the blood clot, Chuck. Hey. I don't know what you're talking. You make him man a run and find him there.
That them say new one piece.
Where him come back that man.
Set up stuff now, man. Set up stuff. Walk up early. Walk early.
Who up on the man, man? I'm here calling you, I don't want to can't pass me a bumbo clad.
Set up stuff.
And this is a man direct, man.
Oh, sir.
And where's the man he come here?
Can't tell her.
Marky, they can't find Marky right now, check the grass. And that means that's the New Zealand. Alright!
Who up with the top now?
Juice the blood clot, you know. Man, see me now.
Who up with the top now? Who up with the top?
Squeeze him now. Here, gentlemen. Alright! Squeeze that blood clot there. You're dead. The blood clot dead. A long number. You're dead. Pussy, you're dead. Look out. That's just a screenshot now. Look at now. Come on. Alright. Look out. Come on, just a screenshot now. That's iron drop. Bumper clad. Come on, just a screenshot now.
Yo, the front check at each side.
Yeah.
say check ya.
Hey, the man afraid of me, them check now go nowhere.
Say check ya.
Them check now go nowhere. Right now, me Leland. Them check now boss. Them check now go nowhere.
The blood clean, but that's good enough. Alright, we post up there, this now, some of them, they may not.
Them check now. Me say when me Leland right now, me hold me high five. And shoot me about 90 cents there. Them check out, stand back. I'm going to take 6 shots. Man, just slow. Why?
But you have to wait on the car. And the cameraman to the party, you know.
That long time.
Just one day, we should go that time.
Yeah, that's
Cameraman to the party.
a long rumble I do it. Long blood clot rumble.
I don't need to